I would like to give information about nerve cells. We know that these nerve cells provide the electrical stimuli to be transferred from muscles to the brain and from the brain to the muscles. And when a baby is 4 weeks old in the mother's womb, every minute 500,000 nerve cells are formed in the body of the baby. And when the 4th week is about to be completed, those nerve cells start traveling to the destinations where they will have their places in the body. For instance, just moving in a motorway, they start traveling and then they find their destination. And at that place where they have reached actually, they stand there, they find their location, and those nerve cells just stop there and do not move because it is the right place where they should be heading. And when a baby is 6 months old, there are about 100 billion of nerve cells in the body, and they start establishing connections among them, and the ones that are used most, actually, they get stronger, and the weaker ones, they are not used that much. And all the nerve cells are 1/200th of a 1 millimeter, that they have a very small size. They need to get information from the external surroundings, so they have dendrites that move from the body of the nerve cell, and those dendrites gather the information, and those there are the axons that come out from the nerve cells, and the axons also function the same way in order to establish connections between billions of nerve cells, and this way they lead the information to the brain, and they make this in 1/50th of a second. And there are gaps between the nerve cells, and we have described before that there are very detailed chemical processes that are found between the nerve cells, and for one electrical stimuli to travel to another one, actually, since there is a gap, actually that information should have been lost. However, that does not occur because of a special chemical there in between the axons. This transfer is carried out by special neurotransmitters, and a 4-week baby, until the death of that person, actually, the number of the nerve cells are not replicated again. They have a certain number, and in seconds, billions of movements take place in the body of a person, and this is by means of the nerves.